out. I sharpen lots of different cutting edges, lots of unique cutting edges. Because of the unique flex, I can pick up on any edge. Today I'm going to show you that it does work. I found an old Henckel knife that's all rusted out. I'm going to bring an edge up on it, slice the paper, and show you it does work. Block sharpeners are made by me, Paul Block. American made, lifetime guaranteed. And you can see, quite dull. Put them on the edge of a counter first. You want to use a little oil, WD-40, peanut oil, whatever you got. A little drop, it keeps anything dirty from sticking on the pins. Lay them on the edge of the counter, draw through. You can bolt them down just like my yellow one is. That's great for doing swords, katanas that way, or bigger cutting edges, or even for production line sharpening. These pins adjust to any edge you got, any angle. Picking up on the original bevels. Look real close, you can see that fresh shine right on the edge of that blade.
Yeah, you can see it.
Let's see how sharp it got. It's getting there, see that?
Yep, she's cutting now.
A little bit more. Let's see how we do this way. Might hit her up a few more times.
And that was the first time.
Yeah, let's hit her up a little bit more and see what we can get out of it. German Henckel's is one of the harder steels to sharpen. A lot of sharpeners can't do it. Block sharpener can do stainless steel, we do Damascus, we can even do military. These rods rock well over 69. Makes my sharpener nearly impossible to wear out. And I'll get the hardest steels you got good and sharp. When you get done, use a piece of leather or cardboard. That'll hone that edge up a little more, polishes it. Almost in the shaving sharp. There it is.
Cutting it. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Old rusty knife.
That was an old rusty knife.
Henckel. Block sharpener, 100% American made. We will sharpen any blade.
Cool.